Jnaneshwar was one of the famous saints in land of Maharashtra who was a supernatural personality in the field of Paramartha, a personality who has been cherished by the people of all generations in Maharashtra for about 725 years. Saint Jnaneshwar was a great saint of the 13th century in Maharashtra and was also a great poet, philosopher and a promoter of Warkari sect. Saint Jnaneshwar was born in Afega, a small village situated on the banks of Godavari river near Paithan in Aurangabad district in the year 1275. Saint Jnaneshwar was born to Kulkarni couple Vitthal Panta and Rukmini Bai. His original name was Jnaneshwar Vitthal Panta Kulkarni. Jnaneshwar's father Vitthal Panta was originally an ascetic. While married, he retired and moved to Kashi, but on learning that they were married, his guru sent him back. After re-entering Grihastha ashram, as per order of his guru, the couple had 4 children. Those names were Nivrutti, Jnandev, Supandev and Muktabai. Vitthal Panta, after visiting many pilgrimages, finally settled at Alandi. In the then Sanatani society, it was not allowed for a sannyasi to accept Grihastha ashram. So Vitthal Panta and his family were forcibly discriminated and were left out of the mainstream society. When Vitthal Panta asked the scholars of the village for a solution, the scholars gave the solution of punishing by death. So Vitthal Panta and Rukmini Bai once in the morning left their small children and jumped into the river and eventually died. After the death of their parents, Jnaneshwar and his siblings were harassed by the society. They were denied basic necessities like food and water. After that, all the siblings went to Paithan, and by going there, Saint Jnaneshwar proved his erudition. Saint Jnaneshwar composed words in his succulent language. He spread Bhagavad Dharma with the help of Saint Namdev. As a child, he performed many miracles. Jnaneshwar and his siblings used to wander in search of food from one house to another. One day, when no one gave Muktabai to cook food, Jnaneshwar asked Muktabai to cook food on his back. Saint Jnaneshwar recited Vedas from a bull, resurrected a dead man, and when Sangdev Maharaj rode on a tiger to visit Jnaneshwar, he sat on the wall with his siblings to break his ego. Nivrutti, Jnandev, Sopan, Muktabai and Eknath were the saints who were head of the Warkari section in Maharashtra. Nivrutti Nath was the guru of Saint Jnaneshwar. In the Nevasa region, with the blessings of his guru, he wrote a famous commentary on Abhangas. In fact, Jnaneshwar used to dictate and Sachidananda Baba wrote it. This book is called Jnaneshwari or Bhavartha Dipika. The scripture of Hinduism came in the vernacular in the form of Jnaneshwari. This became a very important text of Marathi literature. Through Jnaneshwari, knowledge in Sanskrit language was brought into Prakrit language by Saint Jnaneshwar. Jnaneshwari, which teaches Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga and Bhakti Yoga, has about 9,000 poems. It is said to have been written in 1290. At the end of Jnaneshwari, Jnaneshwar has stated the Guru tradition of his own Nath Sampradaya. After the writing of this book, Saint Jnaneshwar, along with many saints, went on a tour of pilgrimage. He also wrote a poem on Sangdev Prashasti. The great yogi Sangdev is believed to have lived for 1400 years, but his ego was not gone. For this, the letter of 65 verses written by Saint Jnaneshwar as a sermon is Sangdev Prashasti. It has an amazing philosophy of Advaita Siddhanta. Saint Jnaneshwar's Haripath is a life lesson. The importance of Harinama is explained in it. Saint Jnaneshwar also wrote Sfuta Kavya, that is Abhanga or Bhajans. Saint Jnaneshwar composed Pasaidan and the end of Jnaneshwari. This book, which inspired world brotherhood, was translated into many languages. This book drew the attention of not only the people of India but also is appreciated throughout the world. The study of Jnaneshwari is still going on in the world today. Saying this, he has expressed his pride about Marathi language and importance of Marathi. Saint Jnaneshwar created the belief that spiritual and philosophical thoughts can be expressed in Marathi through his authorship. At the tender age of 21, Saint Jnaneshwar on Kartik Vadya Trayodasi took Sanjayan Samadhi in the year 1296, and Saint Jnaneshwar left this world leaving behind his teachings of universal brotherhood, peace and love.